Yo mga bossing! Welcome back to my channel. Andito na naman si Alvin ng Boy Bukas Toy Box. Kaya, siyempre, magbubukas tayo ng another toy box. So we are going to open another box na talagang sigurado magugustuhan nyo. So this time, short story. I got it from Amazon US, but the sellers is from the Europe. So this Japanese toys is a European release. I don't know if there's some differences because usually I get it from the Japan, but this time I got it from Amazon US, but from European sellers. So kung ito yun. Here we go. So this is just a small box, but it's a Giant Robo. So I got no choice lang na ano eh. So somebody gave me an Amazon gift card, so I used it. At ito lang yung pumasok sa budget, kaya itong napili natin kunin. So ayos na rin to kasi we can try different toy line, right? So that's a good thing. At kaya excited na rin ako dito kasi from Europe siya. So let's go mga bossing, samahan niyo ako. Let's unbox this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so here we go. Another toy line. So to be honest mga bossing, this is my first talagang una, the Super Robot Chogokin. I'm trying hard na hindi ako makapag-start nito dahil alam ko medyo too late na rin at ayoko nang madagdagan pa yung aking toy line collection. But anyway, andito na tayo. So ito si Giant Robo. So small trivia, this is a manga series, I think 1967 to 68 na nag-run siya. Then naging TV series siya ng or maybe that year too, 1967, 68. So I'm not too sure. Pero this really a 60s manga. So yeah, para rin siya si Tetsujin. May yung bata yung kanya sa kanya, control. So isa to sa mga tawag dito, sa mga naunang tokusatsu. Pero ito siguro ito yung mga pioneer. Not sure lang kung sino nasa ni Spectre Man, but yeah. Ito na nga yata pinagsimulan nun. Okay. So tuloy-tuloy na tayo. At ito na ito lang ang ating karambit way. So, okay. Tapos na natin. Okay, so no more. Okay, manual. Here you go. More. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so parang nung nirelease yata sa US pangalan nito is Johnny Soko and his Flying Robot. And I believe yung parang may English dub nito, medyo nawawala na yata yung original copy dahil nagsarado yung company na nag-release ito sa US. Okay, so here we go. So this is my first time to have a Super Robot Chogokin. So not too sure sa kanyang features, but this one, okay, ratchet. It looks, yeah, yung pagka-plastic niya. Okay. So don't get any information kung meron tong die cast. Anyway, looks like it. I think maybe some joints, minor parts. And I'm not sure kung ito lang to, pero yung pagka-plastic niya medyo kakaiba eh. See, hindi masyadong maganda yung quality ng mga connection. At I'm not sure kung talagang nakaiwala ito as, or I don't know why separate. Lagay na natin. Ayan. Dito ang ulo. Okay. So, yun na siya. So, yeah, so medyo kukunti lang kanyang mga accessories. So, ito yung sa mga stand to. Ayan, display. Pero wala naman siyang display stand. So maybe you buy it separate. At yung mga extra kamay. Tatlong, just 3 open hands. Yun lang. And yung close piece niya, lagay doon. So ito yung, okay, so yun siya. I think it is the, okay, so lang natin siya. Okay, so there is the left and right shoulder missile. Ayan. At ito yung kanyang bazooka. Okay. So yung isa dito, ito nabubuksan to eh. So okay. So there you go mga bossing. Yan lang siya. Siguro let's play. Okay, let's play. Mga bossing, laruin na natin to. So, bali 6 inches nga pala siya. Ang kanyang height. That's total height. So, yeah. Ang reminder, natatanggal yon. Kaya, make sure you don't misplace that. You don't lose it. So, be careful on that one. So, okay. So, ito siguro muna. Pakita natin. Ayan, tanggalin natin. At oops. Okay, so ayan. Not sure kung how to know yung left and right, pero okay, so tingnan natin yung shoulder missile niya. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang bazooka. So, ito yung pinaka parang ano yan, support niya paglalagay niya sa balikat niya. Ito yung parang shoulder support. But we'll do that later. Ayan. So, parang sige, lagay na natin. Aha, so yun. Okay, so ito tanggalin to. Ayun. And then palit natin to. Okay, so so dapat nga yata wala to eh. Tanggalin ko lang muna mga bossing. Yata tayo yung ano eh, advance mag-isip. Ayan, kasya na yan. Ayun. siguro maliit yung ulo niya. Okay, so siyempre kunyari hawak niya na. So ito may tatanggal din to, if you guys know. Ayan. So palitan natin ng may hawak siyang maganda ito. Ayun. Kaya yata may extra nito isa lang eh. Panghawak lang siya ng ano, kanyang basuka. Ayun. Okay, so there you go, bossing. Hawak niyo na yung kanyang basuka. Ayan. Ito yata pwede natin ano, ilagay ito dito. Ayan, para kunyari mukha siyang ano, pag inopen. Ayun. So, yun siya mga bossing. Okay. So, he don't have much of a features, but it's really cool. This, I found it really cool. So yun talaga yung mga joints lang, halos niya yung ano, kanyang diecast. So, ayun. So, okay, tatanggal na naman. Okay, so there you go mga bossing. Kung kayo nagsasubscribe, don't forget to smash that subscribe buttons now and hit that bell notification bell icon. At syempre, i-like and share nyo na rin itong ating video. At if you have any question mga bossing, just comment down below. Kahit ano pa yan, o negative, just let me know. So, sa muling pagkikita ulit mga bossing, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.